Whoa!
What a
Pounding like crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unleashing the psycho. A lightweight at MFN 7. Previous editions, it's been a bantamweight between Dhruv Chaudhary and Sumit Khare. Now this saga started back in 2013. Both these guys were young guns. They fought against each other. The second bout happened at Matrix Fight Night, wherein Dhruv defeated Sumit via decision. And this is the epic trilogy. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Over to Jared.
Ladies and gentlemen, hope you're ready for some bone-crushing, rear-naked choking action. For this is the co-main event of the evening. And now, making his way to the cage, Dhruv Chaudhary.
Dhruv Chaudhary, Dhruv the Psycho Chaudhary, making his way to the cage.
वाकई राहुल बहुत ही कमाल के फाइटर हैं ये 10 साल से भी ज्यादा हो गए हैं इनको इंडियन एमएमए में और इनके पास हर वो चीज है जो आप एक चैंपियन से एक्सपेक्ट करोगे
Bilkul Manan, and off late he's been training with Professor Mike Martins at MMA Matrix Gym. Wow, fantastic entry.
And his opponent, making his way to the cage, Sumit Khare.
राहुल ध्रुव और सुमित खाड़े मैं दोबारा बोलना चाहता हूं एक बार ध्रुव और सुमित खाड़े ये दोनों नाम जब एक साथ आप एक बाउट में देखते हो तो इट सेंड्स चिल्स डाउन योर स्पाइन बहुत ज्यादा मजा आने वाला है राहुल इस फाइट में
Bilkul. He's got Dhruv Chaudhary against him, and Dhruv Chaudhary is no pushover here.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the co-main event of the evening. Presenting first from the blue corner. He weighed in at 69.9 kilograms, representing Uttar Pradesh. Give it up for Dhruv Psycho Chaudhary. And his opponent from the red corner. He weighed in at 70.3 kilograms, representing Maharashtra. Make some noise for the knockout artist, Sumit Khare.
I'm literally standing in the commentary box.
Fighters
This fight
ready,
is so
we are
exciting.
ready. I am buckled up to my seats. Action begins. Dhruv throwing in the first kick. Whoa, return kick by Sumit. Whoa.
And a beautiful right hand by Sumit. What a nice spinning back kick. And Sumit flaunts a little bit of swag after that.
Well, that's karate. Another one. Another one. The grit, the determination he puts in.
इस बार ध्रुव ने वो राइट ओवरहैंड को टाइम किया और क्लिंच में ले लिया सुमित को
मनन, हमने सुमित के फाइट्स देखे हैं. सुमित इज अ नॉकआउट आर्टिस्ट, बट ध्रुव को नॉकआउट करना बहुत मुश्किल है.
बिल्कुल ध्रुव एक बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस्ड और बहुत ही खतरनाक खिलाड़ी हैं और वो फाइट को अब ग्राउंड में ले जा चुके हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट ही डज फ्रॉम हियर.
Exactly, Manan. This is what I was talking about. The changing levels that Dhruv can bring into the game. He can fight standing. He can fight on the ground. Offensive, defensive, both the ways.
Rahul, he's been training under a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, so I'm really curious to see what he does on the ground.
Manan, as per my analysis, he can have a clear domination on the ground, and we can see it happening. We can hear Professor Mike Martins cornering him, telling him what to do. Oh! Wow! What a shot!
Hard shots coming down
Pounding.
on Sumit Khare.
Pounding like crazy, throwing in those crazy elbows.
Punches, elbows, hammer strikes.
This is fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Matrix Fight Night 7. This is the action that we promised you all throughout.
Yes, Rahul, the co-main event is definitely living up to its hype. And we can hear Dhruv's corner say, 1, 2, 3, go, 1, 2, 3, go. They want him to get into the right position and just unleash hell on Sumit.
Exactly, two stalwarts of Indian MMA unleashing a lot of power here, brute force. So far, Dhruv has been dominant. He's taken Sumit on the ground and he's dominating. He's not letting Sumit do anything. The knockout artist so far has been helpless on the ground. Dhruv is throwing in those punches, showing a punch and throwing in an elbow.
But I have to say, Rahul, Sumit is doing a good job of minimizing the strikes Dhruv is landing. He's not giving Dhruv an angle from where he can just unload a lot of strikes.
Well, exactly, and we can see Dhruv here is being forward heavy and he's trying to unleash the beast onto the knockout artist. There's a reason we call him the knockout artist. Pounding one by one. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. My goodness,
Oh, man.
that was a flurry of punches. The Psycho has unleashed his salvo of ammunition.
Dhruv is
I think that's
dominating.
1 dozen, 2 dozen. Oh, he gets an elbow.
Oh,
more
man,
elbows.
elbow strikes.
I think it's
Straight
Manan, I
down
think
from the
let's
sky.
Stop counting numbers. Let's start counting in dozens now.
Those elbows are brutal, Rahul.
Brutal, heavy, heavy elbows. Heavier than a hammer. Oh, Dhruv on the mount position, unleashing the Psycho in him.
Oh my
Straight
God.
hammers, left, right, straight hammers. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the winner for the co-main event. This is Dhruv Chaudhary. Dhruv, the
Wow.
Psycho Chaudhary. Whoa!
What a finish!
Maybe the action that we wanted. We're waiting for the results, but of course, the official announcement will happen soon. That is what a co-main event is. Kaisa laga? Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Another big crowd that is waiting for the next one, the big main event. That's going to happen soon, but a lot of people wanted the trilogy to have a big result. And as you can see the highlights over there, they pounding away Dhruv. And Sumit was in a very vulnerable position there. In fact, ये शुरुआत थोड़ी सी बड़ी strong हो गई थी ध्रुव की और यही चाहता था ध्रुव.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rev Dan called a stop to this contest in 3 minutes and 50 seconds of the first round, declaring the winner by TKO, Dhruv Psycho Chaudhary.
Dhruv Psycho Chaudhary. Wow, Dhruv. Wow, Dhruv. What a fight, what a fight, what a fight. Congratulations. You have been waiting for a very, very long time for this. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
सांस ले लो पहले. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ये फाइट लास्ट सितंबर में होने वाली थी. कुछ रीजंस के कारण नहीं हुई. तो मैंने इंटरव्यू में भी बोला है, मेरी भूख 3 महीने और बढ़ गई थी. तो अनदर पॉइंट फॉर दिस फाइट, सबसे पहले मैं मेरे बच्चे को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा, कोडी को, जो मैं अगर सुबह ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ, 20 किलोमीटर भी दौड़ रहा हूँ, वो मेरे साथ दौड़ता था. मैं कहीं भी जा रहा हूँ, वो मेरे साथ रहता था. सो थैंक यू सो मच बच्चे. एंड थैंक यू फुल MFN फैमिली, आयशा मोम, किशु, दादा, भाई टाइगर. And thank you so much, IMA team, Alan sir, Daniel sir, and the whole entire family who take care of me like their child, their son. So I'm really blessed that I have these people surround me, and I'm just blessed.
You are very, very blessed, Dhruv, and it is a lot of your hard work. At the same time, आपके corner पे आपको instructions दे रहे थे. Your special man, Mike, here, and you were paying close attention and we were listening. That was so good. That was phenomenal. So what do you think about that?
एक ही बात बोलना चाहूँगा. जिस टाइम मैं एलन सर के पास आया था, मेरे कान बंद हो जाते हैं. केज के बाहर से जो उनकी आवाज़ आती है, वो मेरे कान में आती थी. द सेकेंड गाय आई फाउंड इज़ माइक, कोच माइक. उनकी आवाज़ मेरे कान तक पहुँचती है. नन ऑफ एल जो यहाँ बैठे हैं, कितना भी क्राउड करो आप, मेरे को घंटा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता गाइज.